Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. In this video, I will show you how to make Windows desktop looks awesome with the 52 blue whale lightly wallpaper and skin rainmeter for desktop. After finished, you will have a desktop like this. Okay, now I will show you how to make it. Let's go. This is my current desktop. First of all, you download file I put in description below. You have a zip file, to exact file. After finished, you will have a folder with lightly wallpaper file inside and skin rainmeter package. Next step, you create new folder. After that, you move all shortcut and file in desktop inside new folder. Next, you right click, show more option, rename folder, and press the Alt to find file, and click to other area. As you see now, for the name equal high, but you have to press to find file in keypad. Okay, next you right click again, show more option, property, customize, change icon, and select this. Okay, apply. Okay, as you see now, folder change color to white. I will explain later about this. About recycle bin, you go to setting, personalization, then desktop icon setting, and unstick recycle bin. Okay, now desktop only have a new folder with white color. Next step, you go to Microsoft Store and search up lightly wallpaper. This one, you click install, you click open. This app will have us set up lightly wallpaper for desktop. In this window, you click add wallpaper, you click open, and link to a folder you download from my channel, and select lightly wallpaper file. Okay, you can hear sound from lightly wallpaper. It's so relaxing. It will place when you only show desktop, but when you display other window is the mute. And if you don't want play music when show desktop, you can go to setting and change volume to 0. You can close. Next, you download the translucenttb app. You click install, you click open. This app will make taskbar become transparent. You click continue. Okay, next you go to Microsoft Edge and download the rainmeter. Download and install software. Finished. You right click and unload the basic skin from software. Okay, now go to system check and click to run the Melis rainmeter. In this window, you right click, open folder. Go back to skin folder. Now go to folder you download from my channel and copy and paste in skin folder. Go to Manage rainmeter, click refresh on, and you see all skin already linked inside software. You click this file and copy this link, paste into Browse and Chrome. This add-on will display music when you play song in Browse. You click Add to Chrome, Add extension. Okay, you make the same thing with the Chrome Browse. Now you install Mastercard like this. visualizer, skin. Okay, right click and unload skin. The last is webinar playing. Install. Now we will send on skin to desktop. First is call up, you extend it and select the icon software you often use and send to desktop. I usually use Chrome. You right click, load on desktop. Yes, right click, load on desktop. This PC, right click, load on desktop. And the last is YouTube, load on desktop. We mix some around. Okay. Let's Ilaro. You extend it. Test. Load on desktop. Let's move to here. Center of desktop. Monster guest visualizer. You extend it. Right click. Load on desktop. Song information. Load on desktop. Okay. Extend setting. General load. This is table controls. Now you can make adjust about visualizer and song information. You can adjust as you want. Okay, media player. You click webinar playing. Allow access visualizer which backup account. Okay. Okay. Close. Let's Roland. Times lost. This is a clock. Lost on desktop. Position on desktop. Okay, let's see where's the desk. You extend it, right click, note on desktop. You can move it to here. Now you extend setting, right click, note. This is table controls. First you click this icon. It's winning to website. In this search box you input your information location. In search box you input the location information. Example, I live in New York. Yeah, New York answer state. You click search. It screen display latitude and longitude. You click. You copy latitude and paste in table. Enter. Let's see longitude. You copy, paste in, enter. Now the screen display weather information in location I create. Let's issue green variant. Current day, 3 day, 6 day. I usually select current day. Side value, you input side value in this box 0.67. Enter. I think it's okay. Side so has the name. Hi. So I think high is better. We almost done. Let's tap your glow and unspin up in taskbar. About 3 up, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar and off on. Okay. Now looks very clean in taskbar. Before I play one music to check the visualizer, I will explain about why I made this folder and change it to white color. And you see it's almost same with other skin. I do it because Chrome don't have enough software icon. So if you want access some software which don't have an icon, you can input shortcut in folder. And when you want to access, you go to folder and click shortcut inside. This screen take a short time. Then you go to search box and find. Okay, now I will play one music to check the visualizer. Okay, visualizer and song information work well. If you want change setting, you Go to main list, rainmeter, extend master get visualizer and general. In here you can make change setting và visualizer and some information in here. Okay, so I already finished show you how to set up 52 blue way layers wallpaper and skin rainmeter for desktop. You can refer my guide and do it for your desktop. Okay, if you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.